How to create green screen cutout on Capcut PC. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can do exactly that. So let's just jump right in. The first thing you're going to have to do is import your green screen video. So let's just search for a green screen video from the library and add this video to our timeline. As you can see here, I have a green screen phone, so I can insert any kind of video right here. Now you can go ahead and import your video to your track as well. Just make sure that your green screen is over the other video on top of it. And now you can adjust the length of the video so that it fits. It is the same length as your other video. Now, once you have done that, you can click on this option, either a green screen video option, and then from here, you could just go ahead and create a cutout. Click on remove BG. Click on auto removal. There is also an option for custom removal as well. You could try to use the chroma key option. Just click on it. Then from here, you select the color picker and select the color. So choose the color picker from here, and then you can select the color. Now you can select your video and make sure that it fits on the screen like so. You could also turn it sideways a little bit so that it fits better. Now, if I just play the video from here, as you can see now, the video is playing on this phone. And that's how you create a green screen cutout on Capcut. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.